How to draw a spline in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to draw a spline in AutoCAD. The spline is a smooth curve that passes through or near a set of points that influence the shape of the curve. And you can draw a spline in AutoCAD using the spline command. Type spline on the command line and press enter. Enter M method and choose either F, fit points, or CV, control vertices, to specify how the spline is created. The fit points are the points that the spline passes through or near, while control vertices are the points that define a control frame that shapes the spline. Fit points coincide with the spline by default, while control vertices do not. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages, depending on the desired shape and smoothness of the spline. Specify the first point of the spline by clicking on the screen or entering the coordinates. Specify the next point of the spline by clicking on the screen or entering the coordinates. Repeat this step as needed. Press Enter to end the spline, or Enter C, close, to close the spline.